Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making spinach and cheese meatballs. It's a fun, fast little recipe for our crock pot. For that, we're going to need a half a pound of pork sausage, casings removed, half a pound of beef, a cup of spinach shredded, salt and pepper to taste, about 3 or 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese shredded, 3 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs, but in my case, I'm using cracker crumbs because I forgot to pick some up. Oops. And about a good tablespoon and a half of parsley. Not that bad. So, you know the drill, let's go. And I don't think I mentioned it, but you will need a jar of marinara sauce. And throwing this together will be easy. We'll put our spinach, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, and our parsley into a bowl. And we're going to mix that together thoroughly until it's well combined. Okay, we're going to take our mixture and start forming meatballs, probably about 1 inch or so across. We have a nice heated pan we're going to be dropping them into, and I'll finish making those and we'll be right back. Alright, our meatballs are all in the pan. We're browning them up just to get that nice sear on them. We don't have to worry about how warm they are temperature-wise in the middle because they're going to be cooking in a crock pot. So, yeah. Once the meatballs are piled up in there nicely, you'll finish putting the rest of your marinara over the top. We're putting our lid on low for the next 6 hours. And 6 hours later, our meatballs are done. So I'm going to be shutting off the crock pot, making some noodles to serve them with, and we'll try them on out. Okay, I made some egg noodles and dished some of our meatball up. It's time to break into one of these and try it out. Do it alone first. Get some noodles. There we go. I gotta say, these meatballs are amazing. I can definitely taste the Parmesan in them. They're really good over egg noodles, and I would think that they were good over spaghetti or even as meatballs that you put in the lasagna. Anything's possible. These are nice. I can taste Parmesan in them really good. Yeah, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, leave me a like. Leave me a comment about it. Hope you try them out soon. And I will see you in the next one.